What's going on, everybody? It's your boy SBZ Gang, and we're back with another video. Today we are going to be talking about something that you can clearly see in the back. We secured the bag. We have the PS5. So I'm doing something that I usually wait till the end of the year to do, but let's do it now. Setup tour. So first we're going to talk about my TV. This TV is a Vizio TV. It's not necessarily a monitor. So this TV gives out the best display. It's not 4K, but it is Ultra HD. And so that's why I still keep this one around. It works really nice. And we're just going to go from left to right. So going to the right, we have the PS5. This PS5 is Le Magnifique. It is amazing. So with the PS5, it came with 825 gigabytes of storage internally. I guess this is the disc one. In the front, you have a USB-A port and a USB-C port for the front. In the back is where all the HDMI, the power cables, the Ethernet, and everything else goes. And I think there is some USB-A cables in the back as well. Now let's talk about what's running this whole thing, since we're going left to right. What's running this whole thing is a mid 2019 Macbook Pro Intel Core i9. It's got 4 gigabytes of graphics. Also, we're running the 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte SSD. This is a powerhouse and it runs everything smoothly, so smoothly it's not even funny. Up above I have a light. This is a newer light. I've had it for years and it's just been working really well. Next, we're going to go to the camera. This camera is the M50. Now, yes, there is a caveat with the M50. The M50 does shut off after a while if you're using strictly HDMI. But because of the powerhouse of the laptop, I'm going straight micro USB from the camera into a dongle that I have. It's going straight into the laptop. Man, when I tell you this thing is beautiful, this thing is beautiful. Now let's also talk about this controller here. This controller is the PS5 controller. It came with it. I did a small review the first night I had it, but the way this thing feels in your hand, it's just, it fits your hand. It doesn't feel like it's too small. And the haptic feedback, I found that out the first night I played. If you guys were in the stream, it was great. If not, I'm gonna link it right here. This is perfect for like Red Dead Redemption or you know, stuff like that, or even Call of Duty. I wanted you guys to see what progress we're making here at SBZ Gaming. Now let me tell you, and you probably already heard the story from the stream. If you were in the stream, if you weren't in the stream, like I said, you guys need to get into that stream. Half Past Gaming gave us this PS5, so let's give it up for Half Past Gaming. Thank you so much for being a supporter of SBZ Gaming. You are amazing, truly a fan, and I hope all of your endeavors and everything that you do comes to pass. I just wanted to make this video real quick. So if you like content just like this, where we update you on my stream setup and how things are going, please leave a like, please leave a comment, also subscribe. Let me know what you thought about this video just right here, and let's continue going. Let's game for the hell of it. Peace.